going on? So finally I have something a little interesting to do here on the channel because today I have acquired a new project vehicle. Okay, well, it's not a vehicle. It does have an engine and it is a project. And that is this freaking thing right here. Grass is getting a little tall, so we need a cut. And I'm a little poor right now, so cheap find on Facebook Marketplace. Needs some work, doesn't really run. So we're gonna get this thing up and running in tip-top condition. That way we can cut the Karz Kreated yard here. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. What we have here is, looks like it was a Craftsman. Well, hold on. We have a mix of things here actually now looking at this. So it looks like it was a Murray. The engine came from a Murray and then a Craftsman deck, which looks a little bit older than the engine itself. So it's a little crusty, no air filter, so that sucks. I guess it has blades. I never actually looked. Yes, it has a blade. I don't know how nice the blade is, but it's there, so that's good. Everything is here. It's supposed to work. I don't know if it does, obviously. This has been down here. Kill switch has been deactivated, all zip tied off. I don't know if that's a problem to why it won't stay running because this isn't opening up all the way or something. But does it have oil? Yes, a little bit. Probably needs a little bit more oil. Probably needs oil change, quite honestly. And I'm pretty sure it has gas. Yeah, it's got gas. So the guy says it won't stay running. He showed me, he sprayed some starter fluid in it and it's kind of like putted along. So it's spark plug wire here has been taped over with electrical tape. It's broken right here, I can feel it right there in that crease. So that's not good. Chances are it's a carburetor issue, if I had to take a wild guess, but it looks like there's a few things wrong here that could also be a culprit to how it's running. We're gonna try to see if we can get it running first before I dive too deep in taking it apart. And if not, then we'll just start going and taking stuff apart and seeing what's going on, so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull the string here. Yeah, nothing. Let's prime it, see what happens. The prime ball feels like it's dry on the inside. It doesn't feel like nothing's going into it. Hearing how it was running when he had it kind of going on starter fluid, I just don't think it's getting fuel. Like I don't feel anything coming into the ball, the primer ball. So I smell gas though. Maybe it is getting fuel. Maybe it's getting too much fuel. But I guess we're gonna have to start taking stuff apart. So there goes a simple fix. There we go. Ooh, definitely needs cleaned. Good God. Is that? Oh my God, this thing is cruddy. Okay, I just don't know why the kill lever it won't move at all. I would imagine it needs to be fully forward to be in the run position, and it's not. Oh, people and their zip ties, good God. I tell you, people will try to fix anything with zip ties and duct tape. Being what I've seen with the Fiero, I do not want to see any more zip ties. There, just gotta move it around just a little bit. But it's possible that the cable could have stretched. I don't know if it's too much to where it can't be adjusted. Alright, just pull this damn thing off here, see what's going on. Alright. And the cable itself, like, now that I got it out, you can see there's some rust in there, but it doesn't move around too bad. Definitely need to go get a can of WD-40 or something, because this thing's gonna need a lot of it. But I say I'm moving it around, it's starting to free up a little bit. But now I wonder if I can find a way to get this held open like that, if it will start. There we go. Whew. Let's take a little bit of wire here. Let's keep that like that. See if we can, let's see if it'll start now. Might be getting somewhere. Definitely having a hard time with fuel. A little smoky, but it runs. So I guess that was the problem. The kill switch cable, it being bound up. Oh, I gotta let the air out a minute. But that being bound up wasn't allowing that to open all the way. So yeah, really simple fix there, not bad. Still needs cleaned up. Ideally, I would love to get another air filter box. Don't know if I can find a generic one or something to replace that or not. But other than that, and getting the cable fixed, because I would love to, be able to do that, which, by the way, I just realized this is supposed to be on the top. It's on the bottom. There we go, yeah. It's supposed to be like that. So, get that cable fixed, clean her up. We got a $20 lawnmower, guys. And even if I wanted to cut grass today, the weather in Florida has its own mind. So, probably in 10 minutes it'll be sunny again, who the hell knows. But, update. So, as you can see, there's a lot more missing. Reason being, because I really just wanted to clean this up. I mean, there was pieces of grass just in every nook and cranny, and I want to get all that out. Obviously, that's gonna really affect cooling and stuff, and might as well just make it nice while I have it, right? So I took all of that crap off, cleaned everything. Everything looks so much better. But when I was taking everything off, I made some discoveries. So obviously I noticed this part of the spark plug wire here right away that's been taped because it's cracked. You can see the rubber is cracking all along here. And then underneath the cover where you can't see, it is completely split. right there. So yeah, not good. I don't know how much one of these little dinghies cost, but I'm sure it's more than I'm willing to spend on a $20 lawnmower. So I'm gonna have to get some electrical tape and cover that up too. Had I had all my normal stuff, I would just probably heat shrink that, but I don't have any of that with me. It's all still in Maryland. I mean, this whole wire really should be replaced, but whatever. I have yet to pull the spark plug out. I don't know if I need to. Honestly, I can't. Come on, get on there. It does look a whole lot better, a whole lot cleaner. It looks like someone actually takes care of this thing. Also, I made another discovery. I have to actually run out here quickly and grab the fuel line. So this is the line that goes from the tank to the carburetor right there, that spot. Well, remember when I said I thought there could be a fueling issue? Well, I do believe there was a fueling issue. So you can't even tell. The inside of this line is all gummed up. The rubber is coming apart on the inside there. My guess is ethanol softened it up on the inside. So obviously that's no good. And yeah, so I'm gonna need a new fuel line. What is this? Quarter inch. And so I can replace that, and that should help get all the fuel I need to the engine here. Honestly, once I fix that, get this exposed spark plug wire fixed, get a filter on here, this will be really good to go and not bad. You know, obviously want to spend as little as possible because otherwise I would have just bought a running mower. But for the most part, it is pretty simple stuff. So, and that's pretty much all I can do at the moment. I still need to get a few extra things, and yeah, otherwise it's, you know, it is what it is. Because I really need to milk my content right now. Just not much going on, not much money around to do some more fun projects. We're gonna make this a two-part series, and you're like, why the hell are you gonna make a lawnmower two-part series on a car channel? Well, because I'm gonna do something fun with the lawnmower. And no, I'm not gonna put nitrous on it or anything. Like I said, no money. Otherwise, I probably would do something stupid like that. But once I get it cleaned up and get all the other parts fixed on it, we're gonna do something special just to make it look a little, you know, something nice. So that's gonna be in the second part of the video. Before you see that video, I'm gonna finish up all the little odds and ends that I need to do here with and hopefully find a filter and all that other stuff. So by the time the next installment comes around, we'll have the fun part ready and we can get that going on. So otherwise, it's gonna be it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know if you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Keep a lookout for the next true car enthusiast, not lawnmower enthusiast video.